Hey, I'm at the clubhouse, the place where my spirit lifts up, and I was thinking to show you this place. I really love it. Welcome. I was listening to this motivator speaker saying, imagine yourself 20 years later from now, wiser, happier, healthier, and financially freedom. I could never imagine this about me, all because of the right decision that I make with my life. So make the right decision with yourself so that you can be unstoppable you, like me. I could never imagine having this life. I was born in a poor family. My stepdad was alcoholic and my mom wanted to be a housewife, but she chose the wrong man. Usually, we're often hungry. I was like a poor kid, skin and bone. And because I worked hard and I was smart with my money, I reached this great life. I want to talk to you about this grill. The meat is so tasty. If you go to the restaurant, you'll be disappointed after eating the meat from the grill. It's with the wood pellets, it gives amazing flavor. So I'm with my friends, celebrating my successful life. So every time I have success, I put organic sparkling wine just to show my appreciation for the hard work. Oh, I made a mess. Now we'll drink from this one. Cheers. I want to show you the land that I bought 7 years ago. I did not build yet, but I'm hoping soon. Every time I had the money, I was investing in my business so that I can have more money. So I'm getting very close to build my castle. Since people said I'm a princess, some because of my look, and some thinking that I'm just a lazy person. And this is one of the reasons I start my YouTube channel, because of my look, people could never imagine me working. So I have paint from the last week. This is one of my things that I do. I got hurted on my foot, but now it's healed. I was listening to Arnold Schwarzenegger. He was making a movie, and the movie maker said, can you do again the scenario? He said he had bleed on his knees. Sometimes I get bleed on my knees when I put hardwood floor. And also, I smashed my finger, and my finger got bleed when I put the hardwood floor. So I love working hard. This is the land that I bought, and I always wanted when I wake up to say, wow, I cannot believe I'm living in this place. I want to make one of the most beautiful house in the neighborhood, just to match my personality. Am I dreaming my dream life? No, I'm living in it.